Welcome to the eBusiness Guru Groupon Connector for Linnworks video series. eBusiness Guru are official partner providers of Linnworks. Groupon is an e-commerce marketplace which offers daily deals and coupons to millions of customers. Channel configuration allows you to add your Groupon country account to Linnworks. For example, if you are selling on Groupon UK, you can link this account to your Linnworks account so that you can start getting orders through in Linnworks from Groupon UK. The great thing about Groupon is that you can sell all over the world. And so if you're already selling on Groupon UK because of certain limitations, the world is now your oyster and you can sell in a whole host of countries, including the United States, Austria, Belgium, Finland, France, Germany, India, Ireland, Italy, and the list goes on and on. This opens up a world of selling opportunities all on just one marketplace. To get started selling to different countries on Groupon Connector is really easy. This can be done in 3 steps. Select the group country channel you want to configure, that you want to add to Linnworks. You then enter in your supplier ID, which is a 5-digit code which is given from Groupon. And then you generate a token to activate the channel by clicking the I button over here. Begin with your Groupon credentials in order to generate the token. Select your country of integration, and then you'll be well on your way to be getting the Groupon token that you need to activate your Groupon channel on the connector. Once you've finished, you can press save, and you can test your configuration just to make sure it's working properly. If you wanted to add more Groupon countries to this process, this is very straightforward. You just have to click add here